Hey everyone, in this video, I'll walk you through how to create a powerful Excel financial dashboard from scratch in 2026. So if you want a clean visual overview of your income, expenses, and savings, this step-by-step setup will get you there pretty quickly. First, make sure your financial data is organized in a simple table. Yeah, you should have columns like date, category, income, and expense. I mean, dashboards only work well when the source data is clean. Next, select your data and format it as a table. So press Ctrl plus T and confirm the range. This helps Excel automatically update your dashboard later. Now go to the Insert tab and choose Pivot Table. Place it in a new worksheet. This pivot table will power most of your dashboard visuals. All right, drag income and expense into the values area to calculate totals. Then, format the numbers as currency so the summary looks more professional. Next, select the pivot table and insert charts like a column chart for expenses and maybe a pie chart for category breakdown. Yeah, visuals make the dashboard much easier to understand. To make the dashboard interactive, insert slicers. So go to Pivot Table Analyze, click Insert Slicer, and choose fields like category or date. This lets you filter the dashboard instantly. Now arrange your charts, totals, and slicers onto one clean dashboard sheet. Resize and align everything so it looks balanced and easy to read. And that's it. You now have a dynamic Excel financial dashboard ready to monitor your money in real time. Yeah, once your data updates, the dashboard updates too. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Hey everyone,